Now we power on the inverter. Okay, the VFD is powered on. So we press function to go to the parameter screen. DGT light is on. You can push up and down to change the parameter from 100 to 160. Press stop reset. The DGT light is off. Now you can change between the group from 100, 200, 300, and so on. And press stop reset again. DGT light is on. Okay, now we change 113 parameter. This is a target frequency. Okay, we press reset key to switch off the up to the number 20. Number 20, we change 20 Hertz. Okay, and press set key. It means the target frequency has been stored in the VFD. Okay, we press function key. The FRQ means frequency light is on. Press run. The drive is running up to 20 Hertz. You press function. You can check the speed and current, running current, voltage, DC voltage. Okay, press stop. The drive will decrease to stop. The running light is off. So now we simulate if there is any alarm. Okay, now it's ESP alarm. If there is any alarm, you can press reset key to reset the drives.